Unlock the power of nature with Nyuboon, a complete wellness solution for your health. IMMUBOON, premium cow colostrum formula packed with antibodies and growth factors to strengthen immunity and enhance overall well-being. Spiruboon, liquid spirulina, is absorbed 3 times faster, packed with proteins, vitamins, and antioxidants to fuel your energy. Gynorex supports hormonal balance, relieves menstrual discomfort, and boosts overall female health. Betarex, advanced sugar control formula with clinically tested ingredients to regulate blood sugar, enhance energy, and support metabolic health. Livorex, cleanse the liver and improves digestion to keep your body functioning at its best. Ortho B supports bone and joint health, promoting strength and flexibility. Hemorex strengthens blood vessels, enhances oxygen flow, and supports hemoglobin levels for better energy and overall blood health. KIREX enhances kidney function, promotes toxin elimination, and supports optimal hydration for better renal health. Cow colostrum cream rejuvenates and nourishes your skin, reducing fine lines, dryness, and irritation. Achieve optimal health with Nyuboon. Now available on Flipkart, Amazon, HK Vitals, Tata 1mg and www.nyuboon.com. Nyuboon. Heal naturally. Live fully.